All right, let's talk Figma. We're going to level up your skills, taking you from junior speed to senior flow.
You know this feeling, right? If your mouse is doing all the work, you're not really designing.
So welcome to Design Level Up. This is all about unlocking that next level professional flow.
And we're kicking things off with level 1 speed, because you got to be fast to be great. Here they are, 5 essential Figma cheat codes that, seriously, feel like you're hacking the system.
Code number 1, the magic box. This is auto layout. Stop moving rectangles around by hand.
Change the text, and poof, the button just grows with it. It's a whole new lifestyle.
Next up, what I call the glitch. It lets you duplicate and repeat an action. It's pure magic.
Duplicate something, move it, then hit the shortcut again. Figma just knows what to do next.
Okay, code 3 is God mode. This is the scale tool, and it keeps your designs from breaking.
You know how resizing an icon totally messes it up? Well, God mode scales everything perfectly. Number 4 is the search. Feeling lost in a menu? Just hit Command and slash.
You can literally summon any plugin, any command, anything you need. It's so fast.
And finally, X-ray vision. Just hold down Alt or Option to see the distance between things.
So you can stop guessing. Is that 16 pixels or 18? Now you just know. Instantly.
All right, you ready for a real secret? A little Easter egg just for you?
Go ahead and press Command, Shift, and the question mark key. You gotta see what happens. Boom! A hidden dashboard of every single shortcut. It's like a skill tree in a video game.
And here's the fun part. The shortcuts you use turn blue. Your quest, turn the whole thing blue.
See, these cheat codes aren't just about speed. They're about giving you more time to actually think.
So, level 1 is complete. Next time, we're diving deep into advanced components.
So, what will you create with all that extra headspace? Hit subscribe to unlock the next level.